Everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to fix connection issue on Discord. Now if you're having connection issues, it's either from your internet problem, app settings, or network restriction. So check your internet connection and try opening websites or another app. Check if you're connected to a good Wi-Fi network or a good mobile network, and then try opening another website or another app. If they work perfectly, you know that something's wrong from the app. Now when you see that something's wrong, try restarting Discord, and if nothing still changes, try updating Discord. If nothing changes, switch networks or use VPN. Don't use that network you're using before, or try to use a VPN. And if nothing still works, check Discord server status. If there's an outage, you have to wait to check their server status. You have to go to discordstatus.com. And so just check, and if there's an outage, you have to wait, as I've said before. You have to wait until it's resolved. And that's it. That's all you need to do. Now if you've done everything and yet it's not working, you still having that connecting problem, then just wait. Just wait. You can also try deleting the Discord app and installing it again, but after that, just wait and try another day. Hope you found the video helpful.